Hitting TFGE0001 in the finals. Server not responding. We cannot connect you to a match. Every time you try and queue on PC. Most of the time, this one's on Embark server, but here's the fast way to rule it out on your end. And the crossplay toggle that fixes it for a lot of people. Start by fully closing the finals and relaunch and queue again. That clears the temporary connection glitch behind most TFGE0001 hits. Having a clean restart can fix it for a lot of people on its own. If you're still seeing server not responding, open settings. In the top left, go to gameplay. And under network, set crossplay to off. Again, and if it connects, flip crossplay back on whenever you want cross-platform lobbies. Still stuck on TFGE0001? In your Steam library, right-click the finals, hit properties, open installed files, and click verify integrity of game files. Steam rechecks everything and re-downloads any corrupted network or anti-cheat files. Give it a couple of minutes to finish. If you're still getting the error, unplug your router and modem for 30 seconds. Plug them back in and wait for the lights to settle before relaunching. This drops your whole connection for a minute. On Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet cable for a steadier link. 2 optional DNS commands are in the description if you want them. If it still hasn't fixed, it's almost certainly on Embark's side. Check at Reach the Finals on X or the official Discord for an outage or maintenance post. And make sure you're on the latest game version, not an old or beta build. If the servers are down, waiting is the only real fix. Only if nothing above worked and the servers are confirmed up, uninstall the finals and reinstall the current version. But heads up, that's a full re-download in real time, so it's the last resort. And once you do that, you're back in matchmaking and connecting the matches in the finals. No more TFGE0001 when you queue.